What's up, everybody? We're finally here. Finally just picked up the motor and my intake manifold. I started recording right now that I got home. I don't want to be all up in the guy's face and obviously at his personal space or whatever. But here we have the intake right here, which when you order it, it'll come in two separate boxes. This piece will come in a box itself, and this bottom lid will come in another box. Fill rows will come in their own packaging. All the gaskets and bolts like that come with it. This doesn't come with it. You gotta buy that separate. The throttle body bracket. Yeah, fuck. This thing fell on the way here. I forgot to take one of my tires, but I think it'll be fine. So we're gonna get ready and see if we could throw it in tonight. If not, tomorrow morning. We just gotta take everything off from this one and transfer it over. I'm gonna take all the front accessories, the transmission, unbolt it, obviously take these off, and I ordered the AN lines. I guess they already sell a kit, so we won't throw that, bolt it back on and throw everything back on the truck. And we just gonna have to find, if for all you NBS guys that have this, I think I have a solution on how to still run that with the intake manifold.
So we just went and got some new motor mounts. Obviously this is the old one, it's pretty busted. These are the new ones. Nice. Put on the accessories and hopefully, you know, have this running pretty soon. Gotta put these fucking
What? Fucking what?
I forgot already.
Today, Junior?
What?
So y'all never put y'all seals in dry. Make sure I either put some motherfucking Vaseline or some oil or something. Oh, we finally have the motor in. I just bolted up, throw the cross member back on. Good as that, huh, my boy? Finally came in. My water pump and thermostat, you know, it should be coming in. TPS sensor and the, what is it called? Good, man. Oh yeah. There we go. Our thermostat and our water pump is here. Just don't get that, you know. Got this OEM AC Delco. Ain't no store here. Had it in stock. It was all special order, and about to go throw this on, and we'll just need a couple little things like my tranny lines and the AM fittings and the lines as well for my fuel and the little canister purge system, and it should be done. Just waiting on the injectors to come in, and we should be able to get a little street tune just to break it in.